Hi guys, welcome to my channel Techify You. Well, most of times we wonder how easy or how difficult it would be to remove a hard drive from a MacBook. Well, let's see how much time does it take. Alright, so here's a model mid 2012 MacBook Pro that I have. Uh, so let's start. Alright, so we'll begin from removing the bottom cover. We'll use a Phillips head to remove the bottom cover screws, all the 10 screws. So we have to remove these screws first. Alright, so third one. The fourth one out. The fifth screw. Now taking out the screws on a MacBook is very simple, and it does not take much time. And I hope removing a hard drive on a MacBook is also as simple as removing a screw from a laptop. See that they have become loose, so it's not taking much time for me to take out the screws. Alright, here is the last one. Okay, now let's remove the bottom cover. Alright, so before we begin removing the hard drive from the laptop, we have to make sure that we disconnect the battery cable, unplug the battery from the laptop so that there is no charge on the laptop. So we'll begin with that. So here's the battery connector. You just have to slightly pull it out, just like that. Alright, now on the top right corner you see that the hard drive is located on the top right corner if the laptop is upside down. And before we take out the hard drive, we have to make sure that we disconnect the data cable for the hard drive from the laptop itself. So we have to take this data cable out. It's very simple. You just have to pull the cable out from here like that. It's very simple. And now the next step is to take out these two screws. These are the Phillips head, so you just have to take out the Phillips head screws here. Maybe I need a bigger one. Alright, this is the first screw. This is the second one. Alright, so after you remove the screws, you will see that you can pull this plastic piece, the bracket, out from the laptop. See that? Now taking out the hard drive from the MacBook is very simple. You just have to lift it up. So the pulling tab, I think I lost my pulling tab on the hard drive. So on your MacBook you will see there's a pulling tab there that you can pull, and with which you can take out the hard drive from the laptop. So this hard drive is an SSD hard drive. This is connected to the data cable from here on the right. This is the connector. You just have to pull out the connector like this. It's very simple. You can take out the hard drive in just a minute. So you can see here I have pulled out the hard drive from my MacBook Pro. This is an SSD hard drive, and so it's a SATA hard drive. I have upgraded the hard drive on my laptop because the hard drive that came with my laptop, it actually crashed, and I have to replace it. So this is a Toshiba hard drive, 500 gigs. I have a lot of space still left on this hard drive because I don't save much of the stuff on the laptop itself, as I have an external hard drive on which I store stuff. It's always good to have a backup hard drive available, like an external backup drive, so that you have all your data backed up. So this is how you take out hard drive on your MacBook Pro. Now putting the hard drive on your MacBook Pro is very simple, and you just have to follow the reverse order to install the hard drive. You have to connect the connector back. After that you have to put the bracket on, and then you have to put this data cable back on to the laptop, connect the battery connector, and you're ready to go. So this is how you remove the hard drive from your laptop. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more of the videos like this. I will be publishing new videos every week. I will be uploading videos that are related to MacBook, that are related to how to troubleshoot MacBook issues. And if you have any questions, you want me to create a specific video for you, please do let me know in the comment box and I'll do the same. Thank you. Bye bye.